What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys Amazon product research that you can do by using a tool called Helium 10. Helium 10 product research, one of the best tools to find products to sell on Amazon. It's exactly how I grow my Amazon business. I'm going to show you guys how you can do the same thing. If you want to use Helium 10, I'm going to have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comment, so that way you can click it, get a discount code for you guys. I'll just have it in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. Let me show you guys how I find all the great products to start selling on Amazon. Look at this. This is a diaper bag. I'm gonna just show you a niche that I personally like. This is baby products. They do amazing because people spend a ton of money on this niche. So look, diaper bag backpack here, $40. But with Helium 10, we're able to see how much they're making. $42,000 in revenue last 30 days. Everything I'm going to be showing you guys as examples is something that you can potentially do, because look, I found the products that only have very low review ratings, 500 reviews or less. That way you can get into that same exact niche, something that's not very competitive, and you know, it's just very possible to do. Not all these products are going to be great. Maybe you have to see what's the profit margin that you're going to be making. Of course, you're going to need to know pretty much the product cost, Amazon FBA fees, how much you're potentially going to be making. That's something I'm going to be talking about later in this video. But I'm just showing you guys a couple of ideas. And this is all from Helium 10 that I used. So here's another one, right? This is like a baby, almost like a baby waist trainer. I have no idea what this is. $33, $27,000 in revenue in the last 30 days. Let's click another one. Another baby product here, a sleep sack. You can see $41,000, selling it for close to $30, less than 200 reviews. Let's click another one here. You can see this one, almost $30, $57,000 in the last 30 days. Let's keep going. I'm going to show you guys. I literally found all these product ideas in less than a minute, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is another one. 41,000, and this is something that I personally like when selling on Amazon because it's a small and light product. Let's keep going here. $30, 23,000. Look at that, 35,000 off this product. This product, 44,000. One more to show you guys. $28, $184,000 off this one listing. Now, how are we gonna find products just like this? Right, I'm gonna show you guys really fast and easy Amazon product research and how you can do the same exact thing. Real fast and easy. You're gonna go and get Helium 10, right? This is how I grew my Amazon business to this amount in the last, I've been selling on Amazon for quite some time, to be honest. Every year the business grows, and I'm currently about to start selling the business, to be honest, and grow another Amazon business in a different niche. But this is today's sales, yesterday's sales, last 7 days, and this is last year's sales and profit, right? But how do you find a product that does well like this, right? This is how I grew my Amazon business, teach you guys exactly what I know. So once you have Helium 10 here, you're gonna go to Black Box. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna find products that are not very competitive, that you can get into the same exact niche. So 3 things I want to keep in mind also that you want to do when doing Amazon product research, right? Is you want to find something that's not in a competitive niche, that you can get ranked on the first page. I'm going to show you guys that later on this video. You want to sell something also, the second thing, you want to sell something also that is more than $18. Why? Is because you want a high profit margin, and you want that profit to reinvest in the business and grow a long-term business. So ideally, anything below $18, you're always gonna have to pay Amazon shipping fees and Amazon FBA fees for selling on their platform. So these are the 2 things you always have to pay. So if you have it less than $18, sometimes those fees really eat into the profits that you're potentially making. So what I've always, from now on, considered is that I don't sell anything lower than $18 because I'm here to make money, and I'm here to grow a long-term business. Like you know, that's what you want as well. So sell something that's over $18. And the third thing, sell something that's not big. Sell something that's light. not big and heavy. 3 pounds or less, the smaller the better. It's going to save you a ton of money on shipping costs from China to Amazon's warehouse, and when Amazon ships a product to the customer, they're getting free shipping. But guess who's paying it? You and me. The sellers, we're paying the shipping fee. So that's going to eat into our costs. So ideally, what I like to do is sell small products. That way the shipping fee is a lot less. So those are real good tips that you want to take in consideration when selling a product, right? So what we're going to do here, we're going to do more product research, and we're going to go back up here, and we're going to find a niche that we like. These are all good niches. Baby products, beauty, personal care is a good one. Health and household, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products, pet supplies. These are all really good niches, right? So you can follow along and use any of these niches. So what we're going to do here though is that I'm going to go only with one niche. So I'm going to show you guys even better way to do Amazon product research. Really good. So let's go to pet supplies. That's like the second favorite niche of mine. So I'm going to split this. I'm going to take this out here so we're going to get more listings so I can show you guys. All right. And now you're going to put number of sellers. We're going to put 1 and 1. The price point, we're going to put $18 minimum. Monthly revenue, let's put $20,000. That way you find a really good product to start selling. The max reviews, right? We're going to put the max reviews can be 500. That way you know that you can sell the same exact product and do the same exact thing. Shipping size, we're going to put large, small, and large standard. That way we're selling something small. And then max weight, we're going to put 3 pounds. Fulfillment, we're going to put FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. That's what we're going to be doing. And then that all looks pretty good here. Now we're going to click search, and we're going to get a bunch of listings. It's going to give us a ton of listings, that products that we can potentially sell just like that. So these are all really good listings because they're less than 500 reviews, and it shows that you can get into this, right? So let's click a couple of these right here. I already found a really good one right here. Less than 500 reviews. They only have one left in stock. This dog life jacket here is making $49,000 every month. Just this one product here. Imagine if you had 10 other products, not even 50, 10 other products. It's just very big long-term business that you can do. Look at this one. The socks for dogs, $17 right here. Let's see the 30-day revenue. $23,000. Only 40 reviews. Only 40 reviews doing $23,000. You can see only 50 bought this year, but they have a variety of different listings that probably are sold out, you know. And then they have a different color, gray as well, which it looks like it's sold out pretty much as well. So with all these variations that they have, they're made $23,000 in total this month. And they only have 40 reviews like that. This is a great way to find a bunch of products. If you do exactly the filter that I showed you, which is really advanced, I'm telling you, it's a great way to find product ideas. Look at this one. This one it has a bunch of different variations, right? It's extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. But this one product only has 155 reviews, $20,000 in the last 30 days. You can keep going. I'm not even putting that much effort into this. And you can keep going and looking for products like this, right? So let's say you wanted to sell something like this. What you would do here is copy this main keyword, right? Go to Alibaba.com, type in this main keyword, search it, and let's put a small, what I like to do is go to this price, and let's say, you know, let's see the average price of this right here. It's looking like $6. Let's put max that we're willing to pay $6, right? Now we're gonna get a bunch of filtered listings, right? Look at this one. This one is $4 to $5, which, you know, it is a little bit high. Ideally, I like to look probably for like a $3 product, but we're gonna keep looking here. $3 to $5 here. That's okay. So this one has wings. This one might do a lot better because it looks funnier. So yeah, you would just keep looking through this, right? And you would contact these suppliers with chat now. Ideally, what you want to do is contact them at nighttime because that's when they're on. You have to consider that, like, when you talk to a supplier from China, you're most likely in the opposite time zone. So for me in the US here in Miami, I contact them like at 10 or 11 p.m. at nighttime because that's like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. in China. So that's how you have to consider it. And that way you could get live chat and talk to the sales representative to get the best price. So you would do this in order to find the price point for the product that you're trying to sell. So if you ever want to consider like selling full-time on Amazon and doing more things like how to ship it to Amazon's warehouse, how to get samples from the supplier, what products to stay away from exactly, I made a free course for you guys where nothing is needed. You can literally sign up today and check that free course out. There is literally nothing needed for that. And it also teaches you a bunch of stuff. Like, if you want that course, I'm going to have it in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments for free. Complete beginner's guide. You can literally sign up in 3 minutes from now, and that's free. There's nothing needed. And I also have after a more advanced course that is $99 a month. I try to make it really cheap for everybody that wants to learn how to sell on Amazon. This advanced course, it has all like the more advanced things, that like the little mistakes that I've done in the past, how to like really grow a long-term business and make it like full-time income. You could check out that advanced course. There's a lot of people, I've seen people teaching people how to sell on Amazon and they charge like $2,000 for a course, which is crazy. So I try to make it as affordable as possible to you guys, to make it a monthly subscription and a low price point. That way you can finish it in like 3-4 weeks if you want to sign up for the advanced course. And if you have any questions regarding more ideas about Amazon, leave a comment down below. I'll make a video on this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is literally dedicated to teaching you guys how to sell on Amazon and how to grow a long-term business. So if you have any questions about anything, I'll literally make a video about it to help you guys out. I'm here to help you guys and guide you through the whole process. So let's go back here and let's look at more products right here, right? So let's say we found a product like this, right? This is, let's say we wanted to sell this because it's doing really good and everything. I really like the wings, to be honest. It's funny. All right, so let's put that we're gonna get 100 of these, right? So $4.20. So what you would do here, right, is let's go. This one's like more professional, right? I just really like the wing. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna get this one. Let's say we want to sell this exact one, right? For $25. What I would do here is I will go scroll down, right? And this is going to allow you to see how much profit you could potentially be making selling a product like this. So you're going to go to down here until you see product information. You're going to copy this ASIN. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to go to Google. You're going to type in Google here, and then you're going to put Amazon FBA calculator. You're just going to type that, and then you're going to see a website called sellercentral.amazon.com. You're going to click that. You can continue as guest, and you're going to just paste that ASIN here. You click search, and now it's going to tell you the Amazon fees that the person is currently paying on Amazon. And then what you're going to be doing now is putting your product cost here. Let's say we're getting this one we're buying 100 of these for $4.20. Of course, you want to talk to the supplier to know exactly the price, but ideally, let's say it's $4.20. And this is a bit of a bigger product. So usually I ship smaller products, but this product might be a little bit more expensive to ship. So I'm going to be putting $1 per unit in shipping cost. And now what you want to see is the net profit you're potentially going to be making and the net margin. So with this, your potential to make $9 each profit each unit and net margin of 36%. So what I like to teach everybody when it comes to selling on Amazon is you want to sell products that have a profit margin of 35% or higher. I always recommend to look at that profit margin. Net margin there that I showed you, this one's 36%, but if you could get it at 30, this one, it qualifies, right? Because it's above 35%. If you get it at 45%, even better. Like, that's what's really going to set you apart and help you grow a long-term business. So let's say, you know, you can make, ideally what I like to focus on is like selling a product like this, make like 200 to 250 profit per day off this one product, and then reinvest it and get the second product and the third product and the fourth product. And next thing you know, you have like a big long-term business. This is exactly what I recommend you to do if you want to sell on Amazon. You're going to go back here and you have a bunch of product ideas that you can do one by one, right? I want to show you guys a couple of other things. Like, let's see, the Helium 10 has business valuation, right? This is how you can see here my business is valued at $1.4 million. That's because I reinvested in the business, and the exact things that I'm telling you is exactly what you need to do, and you'll get this. Like, I started up with pretty much nothing, and doing the steps I'm telling you, because I've been selling on Amazon for quite some time, you can achieve this. It's very possible. So if you have any questions regarding Amazon product research and finding the perfect product to start selling, leave a comment down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. Also, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow this channel. I mean, this channel is literally dedicated to teaching you Amazon and like how to rank higher on your listing, how to get ranked on the first page, everything like that is literally on this channel, as well as on my course. The free course and the more advanced course has a bunch of information for you guys to teach you guys step by step. Any questions, comment down below, like this video, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.